Hi everyone, welcome to this presentation. In this session, I'm going to give you the demo of this application part properties check. This application reads the Excel data and compare it with the Tekla objects and automatically update if any data is mismatching with the Excel sheet. This is my standard Excel sheet. You can see here part names, material, prefix. The reason why this part name is in red because I'm going to use this column as a filter. If the data matches with the names in the model, it will automatically modify the properties if it is not matching with any of these values. Let's see the demo. Click browse and select the master Excel checking sheet. It's loading now. So the Excel sheet has been loaded. Either you can select the members and run this tool, or you can also use the filter. These are the filters stored on my system. I'm selecting this panel. For panel, if you see, it's starting with PC 101 and the class is 28. Just click modify parts in model. This has been updated. Now you can see this class. Next, I'm going to run this one for Perlin. So the Perlin class is 55. Here the class is 33. So now you can see it is not only the class. If any of this data material if it is mismatching at part number or assembly number, it will automatically update it. Now I'm going to pick this Raker. For Raker, part prefix is RK and assembly prefix is also RK. Whereas you can see the part number and assembly numbers are different. Now I'm selecting this. Just tick off so that it will consider only the selected objects in the model. So I'm not going to use this selection filter now. Click modify parts. Here you can see class has also been updated. You can also run this application for all steel if you have this condition. Here it is. Select and modify parts in the model. So this will automatically display the modified parts in solid and makes all the other objects transparent. Generally what I do is once I complete the initial stages of modeling, I mean to say after creating all the members, I run this application to make sure that the data are as per the standard sheet. This application is quite useful and save you a lot of time. So if you have any specific questions or if you need any fine tuning with this application, feel free to get back to me, and thank you for watching this video.